A cold shower at the start of 2026. Why is the crypto market bleeding today? Visit us at Kriptoentuzijasti for the latest news and education on cryptocurrencies. After the euphoria that marked 2025 and Bitcoin's historical peaks, 2026 begins with a sobering reality. While investors search for signs of recovery, the market is painted red this Wednesday. Bitcoin is struggling to hold key support levels, and altcoins are suffering even harder blows. What is the cause of this sudden pessimism? The cold shower at the start, why, is a topic we will explore in detail in this article. Generated image. A cold shower at the start of 2026. Why is the crypto market bleeding today? Cold shower at the start. Why? Bitcoin at 92K. The psychological barrier. Bitcoin is currently trading around $92,000, a level that technical analysts are observing with trepidation. After a failed recovery attempt at the beginning of the week, selling pressure intensified. Traders are nervous ahead of the release of new economic data from the U.S., and the lack of new capital inflow into ETFs leaves the price vulnerable to macroeconomic shocks. MicroStrategy and the $17 billion hole. Perhaps the biggest trigger for today's decline comes from the corporate world. MicroStrategy, the largest corporate holder of Bitcoin, has revealed an unrealized loss of $17.44 billion. Thanks for watching. Share with friends.